Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a very delicious special pastry. testing time. Tasting time. Everyone will love it. If you like my recipe, I would be very happy if you liked the video and commented.